Today I like to recommend two low-calorie, high-protein dishes. Both are healthy yet satisfying dishes. They are also extremely easy to prepare, so please try them for lunch or dinner. First dish is healthy Shabu-Shabu Ramen. Shabu-Shabu is a dish in which thinly sliced pork is boiled and eaten while dipped in sauce. I recreated it in one bowl and further collaborated with ramen. First, drain the tofu. You can do it without it, but I want to get more protein, so today I'll use it as a topping. Place a weight on top and drain while you prepare the other ingredients and noodles. Today's menu is cold ramen, so cucumber goes very well with it. Cut cucumber into stripes. It's also delicious with the addition of green onions or lettuce. Next, I'm gonna make ramen soup. Put soy sauce, mirin, sugar, dashi powder, white sesame paste. Add a little hot water to make it easier to mix the seasonings. I forgot to add miso, so I added it later. It was still a little warm, so the miso melted fine. After removing heat, chill in the refrigerator. Next, let's make garlic chips. Cut garlic into thin slices. Add sesame oil and warm until crisp. Use your favorite oil. Be careful not to burn them. Use it when serving. Next, boil the bean sprout. This is a crunchy topping that goes extremely well with ramen. And most importantly, it's a perfect helper for those who want to cut back on calories. They work well in ramen soup, and eating this with noodles makes even a small amount of noodles incredibly satisfying. Boil for 1 minute and it's done. Drain water well and let cool. Then I make the star of the day, shabu-shabu. Prepare thinly sliced pork. You don't have to add this, but if you have it, dissolve the dashi powder in hot water. Put this thinly sliced meat in boiling water and it will be cooked in an instant. Originally, it would be ideal to make dashi by using kombu to make soup stock and then boiling it. But that would have been too much work, so I substituted dashi powder. Since the ramen soup is well seasoned, there is no problem cooking the pork using only hot water. Drain thoroughly and place in a bowl. Boil the noodles as well. This could be substituted with other noodles such as udon or rice noodles. You can also use instant ramen noodles. Do some people make it with spaghetti? After draining the water, rinse the noodles well in cold water. Take out the soup base you just made from the refrigerator. Add ice. Make ice water in advance. You can make the soup as thick as you like, but I added about this much ice water. Mix well and add noodles. To make it healthier this time, I added less noodles and more bean sprout. Tofu is squeezed out thoroughly at the end. Then torn into pieces like this and used as a topping. Tofu goes very well with this sesame flavored ramen soup. Top with as much cucumber as you like. And pork as well. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper on the pork at this time. Top with garlic chips and pour rayu on top if you like. Next dish is shoyu chicken and egg bowl. First, let's prepare the edamame. After lightly rinsing with water, sprinkle with more salt and rub in. In this way, the hair on the surface of the edamame are removed. Summer is coming to an end, and I don't know how many more times I will be able to enjoy these fresh edamame this year. Frozen edamame is good, but these fresh edamame are exceptionally tasty. In particular, this edamame with the tengu mark is our favorite. Prepare plenty of boiling water and boil edamame for about 3 minutes. It's better to stir the mixture during the process. Edamame is a great choice for today's theme because it's a great source of vitamin and has by far the highest protein content of any vegetable. After draining the hot water, allow them to cool slightly before removing beans from their pot. Of course, you can use frozen edamame. If not available, use your favorite vegetable instead. Broccoli is a good substitute. I use it as is, but I think it tastes better if you sprinkle a little salt on it. To lower the calorie content of this meal, certain efforts are made. Prepare shredded cabbage. Wash thoroughly and wipe dry. This ginger will be used for today's main ingredient, chicken. Cut the ginger into stripes. Put the ginger in a fry pan. Add seasonings here: sake, soy sauce, and sugar. The key is to use more sake. There are 4 main benefits to using sake: removing the smell of meat, improving flavor penetration, softening ingredients, and adding richness and flavor. In this case, I will use breast meat. Stretch the skin thoroughly. Place skin side down and cook. When sauce comes to a boil, reduce heat to low. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn over and cook for another 10 minutes. This is called chicken simmered in shoyu, soy sauce. It tastes a little different from teriyaki. You can enjoy the distinct flavor of soy sauce, and the taste is more refreshing than teriyaki. When chicken is cooked, cut. If the chicken is pre-cut into small pieces, cooking time is shorter and the flavor soak in better. Return the chicken to the pan off the heat and toss with the sauce. The sauce is cooked down at the end and poured over just before eating, so here it only needs to be lightly marinated. After lightly marinating both sides, remove the chicken. The sauce will not thicken easily if left as is, so add a little potato starch. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of potato starch in the same amount or slightly more water. Add a little at a time to thicken the mixture. Do this over medium or high heat while heating thoroughly. Finally, the eggs are cooked. You can cook it any way you like, but I'll make it into a fried egg like this. It's called iri tamago. Put rice in the bowl. Use less rice and add cabbage to bulk it up. Place an egg on top. Chicken can be used skinless to further reduce calories. The edamame and egg on top provide plenty of protein, and most importantly, they go great with this chicken. I thicken the sauce at the end so that this sauce is well mixed with the chicken and tastes great. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.